You just found the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Get the quality and safety you deserve when you take the wheel of this Tucson. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.